Gun owners, if you're planning a trip to Massachusetts, we need to talk. And this might be the most important 90 seconds of your travel plans. Massachusetts plays by entirely different rules when it comes to firearms. And what you don't know can land you behind bars. No exaggeration. Massachusetts has zero reciprocity with other states. That concealed carry permit you're proud of, the Florida license you've relied upon for years, in Massachusetts, they're as useful as monopoly money. So here's a shocking reality. Carrying without a Massachusetts license to carry is a felony offense under state law, specifically Chapter 269, Section 10A. And we're not talking about just a slap on the wrist. You're looking at a mandatory minimum 18-month jail sentence that cannot be suspended. That's a 1.5 years of your life minimum, plus a permanent felony record that follows you forever, not to mention losing your right to own firearms, period. But wait, my gun is perfectly legal in my state. Unfortunately, Massachusetts also bans many firearms that are completely legal elsewhere. It's a double whammy waiting to happen. Now, if you're passing through on your way somewhere else, there's a narrow escape hatch. Federal law, specifically the Firearm Owners Protection Act under 18 U.S. Code 926A, provides some protection, but only if you follow all of these requirements to the letter. First, your firearm must be unloaded in a locked container. Second, the ammunition must also be stored separately and locked. Third, both must be in your trunk or otherwise completely inaccessible. And you also must be traveling directly between places where you can legally possess it, with only necessary stops like gas or food. But heads up, this is a legal defense you raise in court after being arrested, not a get out of jail free card. If you're moving to Massachusetts, you get a 60-day grace period, but the clock starts ticking immediately. Apply for your Massachusetts license on day one. Processing often takes most of that time. So the bottom line here, guys, unless you already have a Massachusetts license to carry, the smartest move is just leave your gun at home. Leave your firearm in your home state, period. It's not worth risking your freedom over a misunderstanding of these uniquely strict laws. If you have questions about your specific situation, contact us for personalized legal advice. Your rights matter, and so does your freedom.